Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1367, and today's topic is in continuation of integration of robot, artificial intelligence, sensors in industries globally is accelerating lot of production, and there is creation of lot of job, and of course it is one of the biggest revolutions so far we have seen. Let me give you a little introduction, because today when we are talking of industries and where the role of these combined technologies are playing, that is AI, robot and sensors, are divided into two. One is that where we are producing lot of consumer goods, medicines, textile, so many other things. And the other group that they are involved in high-tech military weaponry, means like drone, missile, and all with AI, robot and sensors, where they can navigate, they can target, and they can fight the war. So even the war system and the fighting is totally different today, and day by day it is becoming very smart and very accurate and very much dangerous and lethal because of AI and sensors. So these combinations have brought lot of positive things. And if you recall, let me tell you, fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Fire on this earth is the greatest discovery of all activities. It's all linked to fire, that is a type of energy. And millions of years ago, only civilization started after the control of fire, because fire was always there on this planet. Planet was very hot. Slowly it started cooling, and after cooling down, then it was possible to have living organisms like us, human beings. So fire was always there, but we human beings were not capable. We were not having that much intelligence how to control the fire, that's all. And then after controlling, how we can use the fire for our domestic purpose. So when the human beings were attacked, they will climb to tree. After that, when by rubbing the stone, a spark they saw, and that spark caught the fire in the forest. And then there was big fire. So now with that fire, they started discussing and also planning how to control this fire. And once they got the ability or technology to put on and to put off, they became supreme as compared to other animals. So what they did, they kept around them wherever they were sleeping, they will put on fire. So other animals, dangerous animals, will keep away from the fire. Then they started using, they found that it is the best energy, heat energy. Then they started cooking, because before that, most of them, they were only hunting, they were hunters. And after hunting, without cooking, they were eating whatever they get. And their lifespan was not much, because all the rotten meat they were eating, and sometimes they get sick. Once they started cooking the meat, they got two benefits. First, after cooking, it was possible for them to preserve it for a few days after roasting. They started roasting, and then they got enough time to develop their brain So that's why intelligence, thinking, imagination started after controlling the fire. So firepower was ruling this planet million years, thousands years ago, and today also under the control of robotic, artificial intelligence, and sensor. It is again ruling the planet. Target killing, precision killing, sending the space aerial vehicle known as drone, and drone can navigate, can collect lot of data in the form of intelligence to locate anybody, anywhere, with the help of their navigation and secret sensors, and those sensors can locate anything. So in that area, lot of development is there. And I will give some of the latest weaponry images later on. And here, the other industries are like automobile industries, pharmaceutical manufacturing industries, food industries, and so many other industries which are involved in color, dye, and then other food processing are all under the control and supervision of artificial intelligence, robot and sensor, and their productivity has been extremely accelerated beyond our thinking and beyond our imagination. What we could do 100 people in 1 week or 1 month, it is done in 1 day by use of artificial intelligence, combined technology with robot and sensors. So I am going to show you some images of all this new development, of all these combined technologies, and let me make it very clear. I was talking to one of my close friend last week. I told him that in Borno state, we are producing lot of onion, tomatoes, and carrot, and some other vegetables. And believe me, 60 to 70% are lost because they are rotten. We cannot keep them because of heat. So I told that gentleman that today in India, in many villages, they are constructing solar storage, cold room, cold storage by using solar cell. And in that you can put millions of bags of all these fruits, onion, vegetables, and after 4 months, 6 months, it is fresh. So why not to introduce, because nowadays with this sensor and AI, robotic technology, two things are very well controlled, which is needed: humidity and temperature. Temperature below 10 degrees centigrade. And it can be done by sensors. And not only that, they will give all information. And also such type of very, very smart batteries are developed that even if there is no sun shine, it can take for 36 hours, 3-4 days, and it will maintain the temperature up to 8 to 10 degrees centigrade, and humidity will be as per requirement, 50 to 60%, not 90%. So all these sensor, artificial intelligence, combined technologies, why not we should adopt and start putting all this cold storage in Maiduguri, Borno state, so that we can save all those products maximum up to 95%, and people can enjoy the quality life and quality product. So we have to change our attitude, and we should be ready to accept today's technology for our quality life. Here it is industrial robotic arm which is active to perform the industrial work with high precision and accuracy. Humans are not involved. They are humanoid or robotic arm, and they are doing repetitive work just like human being, putting and pushing everything wherever it is required. So it's all done by artificial intelligence combined sensor and robotic. So these are all artificial intelligence combined sensors and robotic. They are checking all the products in the parcel, whether the products are okay or not, and only after the clearance from these sensor robots, only then it will be going to market. So now things are different and we can maintain quality product. It is welding robot and it is high precision and very accurate, complex type of welding which is required in any industry, especially in automobile industry. All is done by artificial intelligence, robot, sensor combined technology. Here automatically the robot arm is picking the parcels and wherever is the proper place it is putting there. So no more human being is there, and it is big work done by very quickly. It is a robot arm with artificial intelligence sensor combined are checking all the type of rubbish, garbage, which is containing organic, inorganic, metallic, non-metallic, plastic materials, and their sensors are working and they are separating them very quickly. Here the assembly of car is going on in automobile industry, and without any human being, no need of any human being, all these robots are taking care of every step in assembly of new cars. Is today's very dangerous, we can say, vehicle in aerospace, and it is called drone, and this drone is capable of navigation, target killing, target hitting, chasing enemy. So many multi-function is done by combination of sensor, AI and robotic. This is also unmanned army aerial vehicle, and this is all loaded with different type of sensors. It can navigate, it can do all the data collection, that intelligence work, secret work, and it can locate anywhere where the command is given. Is very sophisticated type of very small drone. It is latest Vision 60 robot manufactured by Americans. Is a very dangerous, complicated, and it can chase enemy and it can meet the target at any cost, and it is really very dangerous with very high speed. It can go up to the speed of 1500 km per hour. It is B-21 Stealth bomber. Is the latest addition in American Army. This is unique and there is high demand, and even the Americans, they are very selective in supplying this very dangerous and lethal I can say aerospace vehicle, and it has the beauty that above 60,000 feet it can fly, and it cannot be detected by any radar, or it cannot be hit by any missile. They cannot locate it. So it's a very super type of bomber. So it is given in handwritten summary, and that is number one. The integration of artificial intelligence, robot and sensors is transforming industries in various ways, and there are number two, robotic arm. You have already seen all the images. Just I want to give you some few lines. Robotic arms are widely used in industries for manufacturing tasks like assembly of the cars, accuracy with AI and sensors. With sensors, robot arm can perform with high accuracy and precision. Number 3, repetitive tasks. In industries, in manufacturing, robots are ideal for repetitive tasks such as assembly line production, where they can work tirelessly and maintain consistency. AI robot sensors, a combined robot can inspect and detect high quality products. Number 4, sensing operation. Sensing operation of products to ensure the quality or any mistake can be detected by AI sensors. Also, sensors can detect anomalies in equipments, allowing predictive maintenance. Means if suppose there is any weakness somewhere, the AI sensors will detect, and before emergency comes, it will predict and tell you that better to replace this part. And number 5, welding, picking and sorting. Today, automotive industry robots are used for welding, picking and selectively sorting of mixture of garbage, maybe plastic, metal and also some organic material. Number 6, no human in automobile industries. So it is very interesting to know that nowadays, today, many automobile manufacturers are using only humanoid robots, no human being, and the robots on work 24/7, means not a single minute, they are not tired, they are not sick, 24 hours with high precision and accuracy they are working in automobile industries. Then come to the development of drone, that aerospace vehicle that is called drone, human aerial vehicle, unmanned, when without a human being. Unmanned aerial vehicle, commonly known as drone, can navigate and collect intelligence, strike any target and can kill the enemies wherever he or she is hiding. With the help of sensor and AI, they can locate anywhere in any part of the world. Number 8, Vision 60 robot. These are all the latest addition by American Army Research Unit, that is called Vision 60 robot with high vision, that is why it is called 60 robot. Very powerful, can wipe out enemies with the speed of 1500 km per hour. And another very dangerous bomber is added, that is called B-21 stealth bomber. Can fly an altitude of 60,000 feet and it's invisible to enemy missiles, and it is active and objective oriented and it obeys command. And also now it has gone up to that extent, the sensor and AI combined, that whatever command is given, it is their aim and objective to meet. So that now it has, if suppose in future, if AI is 1,000 times more intelligent than human being, time will come, no doubt, because today what robot combined with sensor and artificial intelligence can do in 1 minute, it will take 100 engineers to work for 1 week. That is done in 1 minute. So if in future any task is given and if there is any mischief or any mistake, without any single shot, the AI can kill 9.6 billion human beings and can wash out the human civilization from this planet. Because it will only stop once it will achieve its target, its objective. So I wish that that danger should not come. Otherwise, day by day, these technologies are becoming super and super. So even today, AI can kill thousands and millions without nuclear bomb, without any single firing shot. And in future, it can kill without single firing shot 9.6 billion human beings on this earth, where the whole civilization of human being will be wiped out. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.